Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 2.4 question number 4. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is three times the other digit. If we interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? Let us find. Let let the digits let let the digits let the digits let the digits at tens place at tens place let the digit at tens place let the digit at tens place and ones place and ones place ones place be in tens place it is x and in ones place x and 3x x and 3x. Let the digits at tens place and ones place be x and 3x respectively. Right? Therefore, the original number is equal to the original number is equal to 10x plus 3x. Therefore, the original number is 10x plus 3x is equal to 13x. Suppose we take a number, suppose 25. You have to see 5 is in ones place and 2 is in tens place. Therefore, you can write it here as 2 into 10 plus 5. The same way we have written here, there is 10x plus 3x and they are getting 13x. On interchanging the digits, on interchanging the digits, on interchanging the digits, on interchanging the digits, the digits, the digits, the digits at tens place, the digits at tens place is 3x and in ones place and in ones place and it is and in ones place the tens place is 3x and in ones place is x. Therefore, the new number, therefore, after interchanging, new number is equal to new number is equal to 10 into 3x, 10 into 3x plus x, 3 into 10, that is 30x plus x, that is equal to 31x. Now, if you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. That means according to the question, 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 original number original number plus new number original number plus new number is equal to 88. Therefore, you are getting this one 13x plus 13x plus 31x plus 31x is equal to 88. So we add the numbers. 3 plus 1 4, that is 44x is equal to 88. Dividing both sides by 44, we get dividing both sides by 44, dividing both sides by 44 we get 44x by 44 is equal to x, and 88 by 44 that comes to 2. The value of x is equal to 2, right? Therefore, the value of x is equal to 2, right? Therefore, the original number number is equal to 13x, that is equal to 13, and the value of x is 2, and that is 26, and that is the answer. Therefore the two digit number therefore the two digit number is either 26 or 62, right? That means we can say that the two digit number may be 26 or 62. If we interchange the number, 26 becomes 62. Hence the two digit number is either 26 or 62. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.